How to change icon size on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, on the home screen, tap and hold on any place on home screen. At the bottom, you will see icons. Tap on it. Now, locate icon written on the section. With the help of the slider, you can easily increase and decrease the size of icons on Android. So let's see, for example, when you increase towards the right of the slider, then at the top you can see the size of icons has already been increased. When you tap on the slider and try to decrease it, the icon shape has already been decreased. At the top, you can easily see the preview of the icon size. According to your preference and choice, you can easily change the icon size on Android with the help of the slider. With that, you can also change the shape and style of the icons. After that, tap Apply button at bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you can easily see the changes on your home screen. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.